All right, so now we're moving out of our force, motion, and energy units, and you're moving into earth and space. And so, for the first thing you'll be doing is earth layers. So, for earth layers, again, like I said, you could use some time, a couple of days to like go over their PSAs or have them present their PSAs if you want to, or you can just move on into earth layers. It's totally left up to you. So, for the first day, you'll be introducing earth layers. And so I have this student led thing that they can do first. Um, or actually, I would probably go into yours first. So here, of course, this is teacher led, where actually, sorry, you would have to have them do this first. So here, it kind of goes over layers of earth, and then they have the prefix and suffix here, and so they'll make words based on those prefix and suffix. And so it's pretty easy. So make a word that means the study of rocks. So they'll look here, and then the study of is ology, and then rocks is litho. So the word they've made should have been lithology. And so on your copy that you're going to be leading, you'll see where you'll see all the answers. You can actually move this down if you wanted to, and then go into this first, and then give them, like, once you finish going into this, have them watch that video, give you a few things that they've learned and found interesting in that video, and then give them this activity, and then give them maybe like 20 minutes, 15 minutes to work on that activity, and then come back together and give them the answers. So it's left up to you how you want to do it, but that's one idea. The next thing is here it's an inquiry lab, and so this one you'll actually need to like obtain some supplies for it. So there is a lot of modeling clay in the back supply room, but yeah, you'll need it. So here's the inquiry lab student copy, and so here you can give it to the remote learners, just post it for them, and then you'll print it out for the actual in-person learners. And so here they'll read this. We usually read it together, and then we'll start working on it. They'll work in their lab groups. And then this is your copy because it has the answers on there. And so I love like this little part where it kind of goes over it. If you want to familiarize yourself with it, you can look on there about layers of earth. And then, yeah, so the answers are here. Now, the next thing I have them doing are stations. So if you click on here, it's a Google form, and it kind of like goes over like the layers of the earth. I have them stop and read because they need to make sure that they know they can work on this however long they want to, but they have to. I have it set for 2 days that they can work on this. They need to hit submit in order for it to save. And then here are the answer keys for you. So I've chopped and like spliced these two lessons up. And so that's how these stations are here. So I have them doing that for 2 days. They definitely need it. And then on Friday, they'll take down notes. I understand that this may not be like the best thing that they want to do because it's before spring break, but we lost a lot of time with that 1 week out for that winter storm. So they just need to push through. So here are the note slide for that. This has to be teacher led. And then here is an interactive notebook that you can print out and give to the students. And then here are the answer keys to that. And then here is a like wrap up, like interactive type of thing for them. And so I made a video to like show how they can do it, but it's pretty interactive. Once they finish taking notes, they can go over this. And then it's kind of like bridges the gap to make sure everything is set and done for them. All right, that's that week. Thank you.